Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Time for another Bargains, Eats, and Treats video. We're going to be taking a look at the Great Value Country Sausage Gravy. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Great Value Country Sausage Gravy. Now, I know some people are going, ew already. Like, just make your own gravy. Yeah, sometimes you just want a simple, quick, easy out for a meal. Now, I like the sausage gravy, or my sausage gravy, or somebody else's sausage gravy, over biscuits, eggs, and toast. Well, we're going to be using toast for this video. But it's about 7 servings, and they're saying a quarter of a cup is 70 calories per serving. Now, I don't know about you, but if I'm eating gravy for breakfast, I'm probably going to eat darn near the whole can. So you're looking at 490 calories for the whole can. Sodium is 13%. So 1 can of this, you're pretty much going to have your daily sodium. Now you can either heat it up on the stovetop or the microwave. What we're going to do is we're going to do it in the microwave. Cover and heat on high for 1 to 2 minutes or until hot. Leave in the microwave for 1 minute, then stir and serve. Like I said, if you want a quick meal, you're going to be putting it in the microwave. Maybe you're on your lunch break at work or your breakfast break at work. Now I'm getting the smell of it already just by opening the can. It kind of reminds me of cream and mushroom soup smell. Now you're not supposed to add milk or water to this. You're just supposed to heat it up. I'm going to go ahead, stick this in the microwave, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, I did it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let it sit for a minute, give it a nice stir. It still reminds me of like a cream of mushroom soup that you just didn't add enough milk to. I mean, it does have nice big chunks of sausage in it. Okay, let's give the gravy a quick taste on its own. Now, it doesn't taste bad. It just tastes really bland. There ain't no... The sausage doesn't have like spiciness to it. Best way I can describe it. It's not bad, but it's uneventful. Just a real mild taste. It still doesn't have much flavor on the toast. Here, I know it has enough salt in it already, but we're gonna add a little bit more and some pepper. Yeah, that did the trick right there. The pepper, maybe a little bit of salt. That tastes pretty good. Now, a can of this is only 89 cents. The sausage is bland, but you add some pepper to it. It actually tastes really good. I'm surprised. So just keep that in mind. It's very, if you like a bland sausage for breakfast, you're probably gonna like this. At 89 cents, it's a good price at 89 cents. But the overall taste with the sausage, I'm gonna take a star off for that. And having to add pepper to it, like again, that's personal taste. I'm probably take off half a star for that. I think if you just got some sausage that you like, got some cream of mushroom soup, put about half a can of milk in the cream of mushroom soup, add your sausage to it, it'd probably be better gravy. So with that said, half off for the taste, the price, taste. I'm overall 3.5 stars, I think. 3.5 stars out of 5. For 89 cents, I'd give it a try. I might actually end up getting a can of cream mushroom soup and trying to make my own version of their sausage gravy, because that reminds me a lot of cream of mushroom soup, and they added sausage to it. So 3.5 out of 5. If you try it, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.